I'm going to be showing you how to set up two-factor authentication on Etsy. So it's really easy. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is go to account settings. So to do that, what you need to do is log into your Etsy account, and then you just need to look at the top where you can see your profile button right there. Just go ahead and tap here, and then you'll see all sorts of options. What you need to do is tap on account settings right here. Make sure you're logged in, and then you can see all of your informations. And now what you need to do is look for security. So as you can see, security is right there. Just go ahead and tap here, and once you're there, you'll be asked about your phone number, and you're here, you have two-factor authentication right there. Now what we need to do is tap on 2FA right here that says turn 2FA on. Just go ahead and tap there, and then you'll be asked this on how do you want to set up 2FA, and it says the Authenticator app is the most secure, but you can also choose SMS or phone call. And once you selected it, just go ahead and tap on continue, and then you can just download the app from the App Store. Just go ahead and tap here, and you'll be redirected to your App Store or your Play Store. And there you can find Google Authenticator right there. Just go ahead and tap here to download it. And that's all you really need to do. And once you can just set up confirm, and you're good to go. So about how it works after enabling is that every time you log in, you need to enter password and then enter code from phone or an app. The important tip is don't use backup codes and use Authenticator app for better security and keep your phone secure. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.